Before you replace any expensive EVAP parts, watch this first. In most cases, a P0456 code can be fixed in just a few minutes with a simple DIY solution that could save you hundreds of dollars. If you are dealing with a P0456 error code, this video demonstrates two practical home solutions to resolve it. Start by using the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0456 code is present. This indicates that your vehicle's evaporative emission (EVAP) system has detected a very small leak, typically measuring less than 0.02 inches in diameter. Here are two simple, practical DIY methods you can use to resolve this issue. Method A, the gas cap. Inspect your gas tank by opening it and checking the condition of the cap. Begin by cleaning the gas tank opening with a WD-40 cleaner. Check the gas cap thoroughly for any signs of accumulated dirt, grime, or debris that might be preventing a proper seal. You can use a WD-40 cleaner to wipe the cap and the surrounding area clean, which often restores the seal. However, if you notice the rubber seal is cracked or the cap appears worn or damaged, it is best to replace it entirely with a new, correct model designed for your specific vehicle to ensure the leak is fully resolved. Method B, the canister purge failed. The canister purge valve is typically positioned behind the intake manifold, located directly next to the throttle body. For demonstration, we have removed the valve prior to filming. However, you should locate this component in your vehicle while the engine is running. Once found, place your finger over the vacuum port to test its operation. If you feel a continuous vacuum suction, it indicates that the valve is stuck in the open position and must be replaced. To fix this, simply remove the faulty canister purge valve and install a new, compatible unit to restore proper system function. So, here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0456 error code after the repair. You can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. If this video helped you fix your P0456 engine code, hit the like button and subscribe to Engine Clinic for more quick DIY engine code fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.